Oh na na na. Oh na na na. Wake up, wake up. Wipe the sleep from your eyes. Feel the sun rays flying through the window and warm you up for this ride. Hey, maybe, maybe it's the best day of your life. Blow off your steam.
Ito kay Guy. Ito.
How sweet it is to be alive.
Kay Derek.
What you don't need, don't take it with you. Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a wind, you can live your life and be free flow. Yeah, you can fly with the stars. Did you forget you a skyscraper? But slow down, look around right now. It's a brand new day. Yeah. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Don't you worry.
Gusto ko lang naman na mapabilis ka lagi sa mga gawain mo. Ikaw na bahala mag-monthly. Haha, joke lang. I love you. Alam ko na to. Makakapaglaro kayo na sa computer mo nang walang humpay.
Me, thank you. Kasi sabi mo nga, binigyan mo pa ako ng last chance ulit na maging tayo. And hindi ko nasasayangin yon kasi napatunayan ko na ikaw talaga ang para sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
It's a brand new day.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah. It's a brand new day. Whoa. It's a brand new day. Yeah. It's a brand new day. Whoa. It's a brand new day. Yeah. It's a new day. Oh, it's a brand new day. Whoa. It's a brand new day.
Basta, wag lang natin sukuan ng isa't isa. And if talagang may dagok sa buhay natin as mag-partner, pray lang tayo. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy. At ito na yung araw na hinihintay natin. I love you.
I will be the rock that holds you up and lifts you up.
Yes, kung maaalala ko, pandemic yun eh. Pinagpe-pray ko. Hindi nga isang lalaki, kundi siya talaga. Kung tutusan, hindi pa nga niya alam yun eh. Ang nakakalam naman po, teacher ko.
Huwag mong pababayaan si Chris. Ibigay mo lahat ng gusto niya. Kung mahalang kayo, tumagal. Alam mo naman, naniniwala tayo na pag matagalan yung pagmamahal, respeto. Tsaka, lagi mong ang Lord sa buhay niyo para lahat ay magiging maayos. Yun lang. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Love you, Lak.
No matter where you are, I'll be there. No matter where you are, no matter where you are, I'll be there.
Kayong dalawa ay pinag-isa at pinagsama ng Diyos sa isang dahilan upang kayo ay magkaroon ng masaya at maligayang pagsasama. Number one, kaya ang dahilan bakit nag-aasawa ang lalaki at babae upang magkaroon ng kasama.
I'll take care of you. I love you just because you and I are better than forever.
Sa'yo, be?
Nothing can stop.
Yung kawan! Ah!
And I won't let you fall. I won't let you.
I know you remember what I said when I broke up with you. I'm sorry. I recognize that I am not yet ready and wish to explore more experience as a young. But thank you for not letting me go.
Sa'yo ko natutunan na pagmamahal ay hindi lamang isang pakiramdam o masithing emosyon. But it is a choice and a commitment. Choice ko na paulit-ulit kang mahalin at piliin.
Chris Ann, I love you more than words can express. And I look forward to build a future that reflects our dreams and aspirations. With each passing day. My commitment to you deepens as we create memories that will last a lifetime.
To tear apart this giant heart that beat inside us now. Let's conquer the percentages and rise above the crowd. And I won't let you fall. I won't let you go. No matter where you are, no matter where you are, I'll be there. No matter where you are,
I promise to never stop learning about you. To hold your hands through every chapter we write together. And I vow to choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any version of reality. I will choose you. I am honored to walk through life with you and can't wait to see where this journey takes us. I love you, and I will say, I do.